Okay, let's start. Okay, for math papers, the questions will always repeat. So WA3 come out, end of year is going to come out again. Okay, so you get it wrong, you learn it now. Then you'll get it correct for your end of year. How come here like that one?
We missing one table.
That because Ashari said on the table.
Okay. So in the numerator, what is happening is it's all multiplication. 2 times a squared times 3 times a5. So we will put the numbers together. It is just a rearrangement of the numbers. So we will take 2 times 3. So we will take 2 times 3 to get the 6. A to the power of 2 times a to the power of 5. We will have a to the power of 7. Because what is really happening is a squared is a times a. A to the power of 5 is a times a times a times a times a. 5 times. So when end up, we are actually multiplying a by itself 7 times. Okay? This is the reason why we just add up the power. Your rule comes from this in the first place. Okay? And then bottom, we still have a to the power of 3. So if we go to the most basic, we have a multiplied by itself 7 times. Then we have a multiplied by itself 3 times in the denominator. Each of the a will cancel with the a. So if I have 3 bottom, 3 of them will cancel away 3 of the a from the top. So which is why end up it is a subtraction of the power. 7 minus the 3. So end up I will have 6a4. Okay? You get the first step, 6a7 at the numerator, you get 1 mark. Here you get 1 mark. Then if you get the final answer, you get 1 more mark. Naim, Uma. Then, second question. To solve an equation, with the unknown inside your power, the only way is to make both sides with the same base. Your left hand side already base 5. Okay, even if you get it correct, I don't want to hear your talking. Next one, I see talking, you stand. Hello. Learn, listen. How to do. And so many of you got it wrong, now you still don't want to listen. Then you can happily get it wrong again next time. The only way to solve equation with unknown inside your index, make both sides have the same base. That is the clue. I want to change 625 to base 5. You can go through your prime factorization. 625 divide by 5. Keep dividing. One, two, three, four, 5. So it is actually 5 to the power of 5. Okay? You can use your calculator, just divide. But you must know you divide how many times. I write wrongly.
25, 28.
Oh, okay. Should be 4. Is it? Four.
4 lah, you put 4 there. 4 lah. 4 times.
Okay? Once your equation, they have the same base. If something have the same base, means their power must be the same. So your next step is writing the powers are the same. X minus 2 is the same as 4. Then, add 2 on both sides. Logan, good. You don't need chair already. Come stand at the front. Come, you don't need already. Come to the front. I know. I told you don't talk. Okay, base the same, power must be the same, so you can write down x minus 2 equals to 4. Then, I add 2 on both sides, x is equals to 6. Write the following in standard form. Number 1, standard form means my number is some number multiply how many zeros? Okay? Then my number in front must be between 1 and 10. Then how many zero I will put by the power of 10. So 512 gigabyte, I must be able to write down giga is 10 power 9. But this is not standard form. Because this one 512. I want a number that is between 1 to 10. So 512, I must change it to 5.12. I move 512, decimal point 2 times. So 512 itself is 5.12 times 10 power 2. Multiply 10 power 9 is still at the back. So finally, I don't want to write these 2 times. I need to combine them together. So when I combine them together, they have the same base. I just multiply, I just add up the power. Answer.
I put 10, 4, 10. Same as here, or more. I put 10.
Okay, so standard form means I must change this number to 4.37. I move the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. But this is a bigger number than this. I want them to be the same. I need 4.37 to divide by 10 to the power of 4. But we don't write divide over here. So I will write times 10, but I put the minus here. So I move 4 times, that's why this one is 4. I want this to become a smaller number. They are the same, just different form. So I want this to become a smaller number, I actually need to divide. But we don't write divide in standard form, we write times. That's why when I write times, I must put a negative.
I put 4.37, I don't put the times.
Okay, follow? The distance between Earth and Mars is 225. Earth, Mars. The distance Earth and Venus is 40. Then, how much more further? Just take this minus this one only, right? Okay? So you must read the question, know what they are asking you to find. So they actually just want you to take 225 million minus 40 million equals to 185 million. Yes. Yeah.
Whoa! I thought you never.
Oh no, that one not 1 mark. Then you must be able to convert million to 10 power 6. Like that you get 1 mark. You must show that you know million is 10 power 6. But again, like just now, 185 million is not in standard form. You want to change it to standard form, your 185 must change to 1.85. But 1.85 means my 1.85 must times 10 to the power 2. Okay? Then the 10 power 6 is still behind. Then I need to combine them together. My final answer is 1.85 times 10 power 8. 汉字. It was never that hard. Okay? Okay, number 3, very simple. 5 years, right? So you have to change to 5. Your paper is 5 or 4? 4. 4 years. They already tell you compound interest. Then compound interest, you must go to your first page. Compound interest, formula is here already. You just need to identify what is P, what is R, what is N. P is my starting amount, principal amount. So P is my 10,000. I put it there for 4 years. 4 years, every year compound 1 time, 4 years compound 4 times. So 4 is my N. Rate is always your percentage. 1.95 per year. So this is your rate. You have your P, you have your R, you have your N. Just use the formula. Total amount P1 plus R over 100 given to you on the first page. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Then you just put the numbers in only. Put the numbers in, you get your answer already. Then 803.11.
Mr. Sia, just 803.
I remember got 0.11.
Need to put 0.11.
Money 2 decimal place. But for those of you never give 2 decimal place, I mark you correct also. But you should know
launch comfort.
How you get this stuff? How you get this higher than this?
I trolling with people.
Trolling. Yes.
You then smiley. Nice how.
What?
Okay? Able to put in all the numbers, you get 1 mark. Final answer, 1 more mark. That is the total amount. Your total amount means you put in the 10,000, the interest come in, then all together like that. So how much is the interest? You must take the final amount minus the principal that he put in. 1 mark. Okay? So you must know the entire story first. Total amount. Total amount is what you put in plus all the interest already. Then when you only want the interest, you take away his original. Ariana, you all have to change seat already. Talk. Then, that is the result. Then now you're still talking. Then your result will not change. You cannot see that it is so simple. Your action linked to your result. Okay, construction. I told you all before, all your distance construct with compass. So xz is 8, yz is 6. X is over here, y is over here. You already know your z is somewhere in the middle here. So if I do a sketch, x, y, z. xz is 8, yz is 6. I already know I want to construct this. My 8 cm. Go and place my compass on a ruler. Make sure it is 8 cm. Then I put the center at X. Then I draw an arc. Every point here is 8 cm from X. Then I know it is 6. So I want a 6 cm. Now I take my compass. I go and adjust. Become 6. Now I put my center here. Then I draw. Every point here is 6 from Y. So where they intersect is 6 from Y and also 8 from X. That will give me my Z. Okay? Measure angle ZXY. Some of you go and measure the wrong angle. ZXY, ZXY. You must measure this angle. Some of you go and measure angle Y. Then wrong already. If you construct it accurately, you should get 37. But we accept from 36 until 38. Oh, okay. But some of you, your construction, you never use compass. You may get somewhere off. You may get 39. Some even get 41, 42.
43.
43. Okay. Then you are asked to construct perpendicular bisector of YZ. Then you only go and focus on YZ first. Meaning, there are a lot of other things here. I don't care, I focus on YZ. YZ. It is only a line with the n at Y, with the n at Z. There are only two special points. There are only two special points. I will go and put my compass at these two special points. So when I put it at Z, I draw an arc. I draw an arc below also. This line. Then I change it to Y. I draw an arc. I draw an arc from Y. I join these 2 points together, I will get my perpendicular bisector. Definitely. Okay? This is the only way to construct your perpendicular bisector. Who's there? Come. Your turn. Stand up. Bring your things here. I don't care. Bring your things here.
I thought question C was like.
Here. VIP seat for you.
Aku masih ya,
Okay, perpendicular bisector. Only one way to construct. We practice so many times in class. Then, angle bisector. The angle that they want you to bisect is XYZ. So this time round, the angle they want you to bisect is XYZ, this angle. They want you to split this angle. I want to split this angle. There is only one special point. My special point is here. So I'm going to put my compass at the special point. Then, I want to cut. This angle is formed by these two lines. Rafki. Or maybe Ion is the problem. Ion, bring your chair. Come here. Too bad lah. Yeah, you were framed by Ion. Yeah. No.
Straight up.
Then why you move here also? You have to go where Logan go. Then now you all leave Chang Yao there. Then Chang Yao is going to pass his end of year already. Here. You don't need to see what? You keep talking, you will not see screen, man. Then you come here lah. Beside Kevin. Okay. One special point. And the angle is formed by these two lines. So if I put my center here, I already know that I want to go and make a cut here. I want to make a cut on this line as well. I know that my angle bisector is going to run through the middle. So, after I get these 2 points, I move my compass to these 2 points. Then, I cut from here, cut 1 time. From here, cut 1 time. The intersection will be where the angle bisector is. Again, we do this so many times in class. Then they tell you the angle bisector meet the perpendicular bisector. So this angle bisector meet this perpendicular bisector. This is the point they want you to know that is M. Then after that, measure distance of M from X. Take your ruler, go and measure. Like that only. Okay? And then you should get 7.2. Again, we accept 7.1 until 7.3. If you are accurate enough.
Why am I like so close to the answer?
So close yet so far.
I was 6.5.
Ah.
So do you guys have 8?
6.5? 6.5 where got near?
Close lah. Is it not?
Go, go, go.
Still have to go.
Ah. Yeah lah. 7 is like you play football, you hit the post like that lah. Almost.
Crossbar.
Crossbar.
Way off. Like he's trying to follow way off. Way off. Not even in the same category, you know.
Okay. The line pass through the points P and Q. This one is very straightforward. Find the length. Find the distance between these 2 points. So you must know your length. It is Pythagoras. Distance in x square plus distance in y square. Difference in x square. Difference in y. Why is this minus? Because of Pythagoras theorem. Here is y1 minus y2. Here is x1 minus x2. The difference in their x, what? Left and right. The difference in their y, your 2 points. Don't care whatever 2 points. Definitely the difference in x. Definitely the difference in y. Okay? So your distance is this square plus this square, then square root. Just Pythagoras. Then put in the numbers correctly. You can put 1 minus 7, 7 minus 1. You can put 4 minus negative 2, negative 2 minus 4. But if you put negative, must remember, minus negative. So substituting the numbers correctly, 1 mark. Then getting the final answer, 8.49, 1 mark. All these are considered easy questions. Very straightforward. They give you coordinate, they ask you to find distance. N level will also have like that. Then these are the questions you must get correct. Okay? Difficult question, wrong, never mind. This one is easy question. Easy question must get correct.
I don't know what my tab.
Hey, you sit here, face Logan. Then let him listen to me. I think better. You go away. Go away. Sit here. You want, you sit here. No. Sit here. Go, go, go. Gradient. Again, they give you 2 points, they give you all the coordinates. Just ask you to find gradient. This is again an easy question. Easy question must be able to get it. Gradient is always difference in y over difference in x. Vertical first divide by horizontal. y1 minus y2, x1 minus x2. Again, put in the values correctly. You can put y1, you can put it as 4, you can put it as minus 2. You can start with whichever. But if you start with 4, then your bottom, you must start with 1. If you start with negative 2, your bottom must start with 7. These two must be from the same point, which is why x1, y1, they belong to the same point. You cannot switch y1 here, x1 here. They belong to the same point. Okay? You mix them up, your answer will wrong in the negative. Positive, you get negative. Negative, you get positive. Okay? So if I put 7, sorry, I put 4 minus negative 2. I must start with 1 minus 7. 4 minus negative 2 become 4 plus 2, 6.
Positive 6, negative 6.
So my gradient must be negative 1.
I did move method. Just to make sure.
Do you need power cable now? Don't need. You just need to listen and do your correction. Find the equation of line L1. They want you to find the equation. They want you to answer an equation. What is the equation? The equation is y equals to mx plus c. But you must find what is m, you must find what is c. M you found already, negative 1. So I put in negative 1, then I will have negative x plus c. The gradient, m is the gradient, and you found the gradient, negative 1. That's why I can put m as negative 1. So my only job is to find c. How do I find c? This is the equation of the line. These 2 points are on the line. So I can put any of these points into my equation. Let's say I put 1, 4. Then 1 is my x, y is my 4. 1 is my x, 4 is my y. 1, 4. So I go to my equation, I go and put in y is 4, x is 1. Got so difficult? X is what, y is what, just put in only. Then, I want to know what is C. I put my C here. Don't go and shift your C. So many of you go and shift your C, then your sign all got it wrong. What is wrong? I put my C here. I just add 1 to the other side. Isn't it very obvious C is 5? I add 1 on both sides only. You cannot add 1. Add 1 also cannot add. But the problem comes when some of you, what you did was, from this line, you go and put your C to the left. Then as you put your C to the left, then I don't know why you can have 1 plus 4 or 1 minus 4. All your signs become wrong. Because you try to do too many things in one step. If you want to bring your C to the opposite side, there are two correct ways to do it. If I really change my C, then it should become minus C plus 4 equals to negative 1. Do one thing at a time. C come over here, become minus C. Then my plus 4 go over, become minus 4. Minus C will be equals to minus 5. C will be equals to 5. Like that also correct. There is another way. If I want to put my C on the left, I take whatever is on the right, write it on the left. Minus 1 plus C equals to 4. I never change the sign. I just write right hand side on the left hand side, left hand side on the right hand side. Then if I want to find out C, again it is just adding 1. So do one thing at a time. Don't go and mix 2-3 steps until you also don't know you right or wrong. And end up you are wrong most of the time. So many of you make mistake here. Don't try to look very smart by doing a lot of things in one step. End up you wrong. Look even more stupid. Correct? Do I do very complicated thing? Add 1 on both sides. I think number 1 thing or number 2 thing you learn in kindergarten. Add 1, add 1. Okay? So after you know C is equal to 5, I can answer the question. The question is, what is the equation? Find the equation. So the equation is y equals to negative x plus 5. I have found out the M, I have found out the C. That is the big picture. You must know the big picture is to find the equation. When you find the equation, you must tell people what is the M, what is the C. All we do in between is to find the M and find the C. But we still answer the equation. Okay? Okay. Now I know this is the equation already. Then they tell me this point is on this line. This point is on this line. Meaning, the x and the y I put inside, it will be correct one. This time my k is my x. My negative 4 is my y. Coordinate x followed by y. So I just put it inside only. Negative 4 equals to negative k plus 5. Okay? Again, don't do so many things at the same time. Just remove my 5 from my k term first. Minus 5 on both sides. Minus k is the same as minus 9. So what is k? The minus and the minus is the same. So my k must be equals to 9 lah. Or I divide both sides by negative 1. Or I multiply both sides by negative 1. So k equals to 9. Don't be too in a rush to put your unknown on the left hand side. Leave it on the right lah. Cannot meh? Cannot. After I know what is k, then the last step only change the left and the right. It will save you so many mistakes. If you keep trying to put your unknown on the left, end up you will make more mistake. Just keep it on the right. So k equals to 9. Okay, part E. It is around actually it's exactly the same again. Finding length of line segment. This time the coordinates are like that. So again, find the length segment is your Pythagoras theorem. Difference in x square plus difference in y square. Put in the numbers correctly, -7, -3. You go through this whole thing, you will get correct. -2 plus 2 becomes 0. -3 -7 become -10. Square already become 100. Square root of 100 equals to 10.
Oh my god.
But there is a shortcut.
Yeah, just 3 minus 3.
7 minus -3.
10.
Because both of them got the same y coordinate. So on the graph paper, one is here, one is here. Horizontal. So I want the distance just 7 plus 3. Or 7 minus -3. Okay? Gradient. If you go through finding gradient, you will get the answer also. But if you know they are on the same level, you can also do the shortcut. Horizontal line, gradient equals to 0. Okay? Okay, question 6. This is when you see a reduction asking you to do scale factor, you must know this is a question on similar figure. You want to draw a similar figure. You want to draw something that is same shape, different size. How do I draw the same shape, different size? Reduction means smaller. I want to draw a smaller. How much smaller? The scale factor is 1/3. Every time I want to get the new distance, I multiply. So if the scale factor is 1/3, I go and count. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 1/3 or 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I go and draw. Instead of 6, now I draw 1 box, 2 box. The box drawn for you already. Don't need to use your ruler. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also 1 box, 2 box. 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3. So the corresponding side will be 1. Then join this diagonal together, can already lo. It stretch over 1 diagonal, 2 diagonal, 3 diagonal. Also same. 3 divided by 3 become 1 diagonal. Then you have a similar figure already. Okay? Corresponding side. This one corresponds to this one. This one corresponds to this one. This one corresponds to this one. Correspond. Okay? So some of you didn't know. Actually, this one is similar figure. So must know. When they say reduction, when they say scale factor, or when you see them asking you to draw something like this is similar figure. Yes. revision worksheet, I told you before. Parallel lines. Your alternate angles. Angle C, alternate angle with angle F. So they are the same angle. Angle D, alternate angle with angle G. So the angle is the same. Then, lastly, this angle at E, vertically opposite, so they are the same. So these two triangles, they have the same angles. All the three angles are the same, so they are similar. So when I name them similar, I told you the naming sequence must be correct. C followed by D followed by E. So I must name my triangle, which is the corresponding point of C. C, same as F. So I must call F first. D corresponds to G. So second point must be G. E corresponds to E. So my corresponding triangle is FGE. CDE, FGE. Okay? The naming must correspond. Ashari, are you doing your correction? Given that FG is 18, calculate CD. Now I know FG is 18. They want me to find CD. CD corresponds to GF. Oh, I see. CD, first two letters, corresponds to FG. So CD corresponding side is FG. CD over FG will give me the scale factor. CD is the big one. FG is the small one. So big one over small one. Then I must go and look at the other pair that I know. CE corresponds to FE.
FE the bigger one.
CE is the bigger one, 15. FE is 12, smaller one. So I must also put the bigger one over the smaller one. Now FG, they tell me is 18. I want to make CD the subject. I don't want this 18. So I just multiply 18. If I multiply 18, it will cancel. Equation. I want to multiply 18, I must do the same thing. Also multiply 18. Then the result, left hand side cancel away. Left with CD. 5 over 3 times 18. Sorry, 22.5.
You will cancel my one. That's just how do you? So I thought you can just put what? 15 over 12 equals to 5 over 4. Not that 18 times 5 over 4 equals to 82. 82.
Wait, this one I write wrongly just now also.
4.
5 over 4.
Yeah.
Okay, some of you go and find the scale factor, then you go and times or divide. You can do that for this question. But in the workbook we go through before, your unknown may appear on both sides. Then if you cannot do your equation, you cannot solve that question.
Oh man, so you need collect.
No.
Yes, I have to go first.
Okay, can anyone still got any question?